Hello class, good morning, good afternoon. How are you today? Are you okay? Are you happy? I'm really happy to be here with you again. And this is the fifth week. Okay? This is the week number 5. So how do you feel? Do you think the work is difficult, easy? Let me know. What do you think about it? All right? Okay, class. Before we start, we need to make a little wake up activity, like always we do, right? And this time we're going to do a wave, like on some of those previous class, but this time it's going to be a small wave. Okay. So first step, interlace your fingers like so. Do it. Do it. Come on. Ready? Okay, here we go. We're going to start with this side. Okay, 1, 2. And then to the other side. Let's see if I can do it. I'm not sure. There you go. And then back again. Ready. Okay, how do you feel? Do you feel better? Excellent. Now that we make some exercise, let's continue with the activities of today. All right. Okay, class, before we jump into the page, let's review what we did in the last class, right? So last class was about lava, right? Yeah, right. We finished the experiment and everything. All right. Well, the question today is going to be, what is lava? Okay, what is lava? Write down your answers in the comments below, and let me see if you learned something from the previous class. All right? Okay. And as always, class, write down in the comments how do you feel, how is the weather, and what's the day today. All right? Don't forget to do it. All right, class. Today we have a really special page because this is one of the final pages of the book. This is page 100, all right? And this is a unit review. So we are going to go through all of these activities on the page 100, and we're going to make a little recap of what it's about, all right? Okay, but remember, you need to finish these activities. I'm going to help you a little bit and answer one or two of the exercise. You need to complete all the page, right? And send it to the group email, right? These are the topics that we're going to check on this page, which is page 100. The topics are capital letters, abbreviations of units of measure, synonyms, homophone words, WH questions, and negative contractions. All of these things you already know, okay? Nothing new, you already learned all of these things, okay? So let's begin with activity number 1, okay? Here we are. Okay, here we are on the page 100. Let's read together the number 1. Read the paragraph and circle the letters that should be capitalized, okay? I'm going to help you a little bit. Let's read the paragraph. My friend Frida has joined the swimming team. She will come with us to the next competition in Connecticut. This is great because last Christmas she shared how much she wished to join our team. Now her wish came true, and this match we will become champions. Alright, class, so let's find the places where capital letters needs to be. Okay, for example, we know that we start every sentence with capital letter, right? So we're going to circle the first M there, because all the sentences start with capital letters. So thus paragraphs. All right. My friend Frida has joined the swimming team. Period. We know that every time a letter is after a period, it needs to be capital, right? So here we have a period, and the next one is capital. We also know that proper nouns use capital letters. Frida is a proper noun, so we circle the letter F. Okay? Excellent class. Now you need to circle all the letters that needs to be capitalized on this paragraph, right? Are you ready to do it? I'm gonna give you some time. Ready? Go. You can pause the video, by the way. Ready? Excellent. Let's continue with the activity number 2. Let's read together. These abbreviations for units of measurement were written incorrectly. Change them to the correct abbreviation. Okay? So we have ml, kilom, jim, cent, and ft. Okay, these are incorrect. We need to write down the correct abbreviation of measure, right? For milliliter, what is the correct abbreviation? Correct, ml. M and capital L. Okay? For kilom, which is a kilometer. Correct. km, kilometer. What about the grams? Correct, G of gram. There we go. Okay, class, now centimeters, super easy, and Fahrenheit, super easy. Too easy, actually. Okay, so you need to complete the next 2 exercise of this activity. You ready? Go. You finish? Perfect. Let's continue with the number 3. Let's read together. Write a synonym for each word in the blank to the left of the words. Then match the word with its antonym on the right. Okay? So we are going to use synonyms and antonyms. All right? Okay. What is the synonym of simple? Correct. Easy. Something that is simple is super easy. Cheerful. Happy. Perfect. You remember. Happy. Okay? Now let's see. Simple. What is the opposite? What is the antonym of simple? Hard. This activity is really hard? No. Super easy. We connected. What is the antonym or the opposite of cheerful? Sad. Exactly. So we connect sad and cheerful. And now is the time that now is the time to pause the video and answer the next 2. Remember, write down the synonym and connect it to the antonym, the opposite, right? Pause the video. Ready? Okay, let's continue. 4. Circle the correct homophone that best completes the sentence below. Okay? Remember, homophone words sound the same but are written different. Okay? For example, number 1, letter A, sorry. I spoke to their mom. Remember, their is a contraction of they are. Okay? So I spoke with they are mom, or I spoke with their mom. There. Perfect. So we circle it. Letter B, I want to come to or two. Okay? To means that you are going to give something to another person. Two is a number 2. So the answer is 2 with double O. Correct. And now is the time to pause the video again and answer the letter C and the letter D. Right? You can pause the video right now. You finish? Excellent. Write 3 WH questions using which, who, and where. I'm going to help you with 2. Alright? Which. Let me give you one example. Remember, we start always with capital letter. Which of this is your favorite sweater? Which of these is your favorite sweater? I'm not wearing a sweater, but I love sweaters. Number 2, letter B, who? Capital letter. Who wants to come with me? Where? I don't know. To the mountains, maybe? Okay. This is the moment where you pause the video and answer the letter C. Are you ready? Pause the video right now. Finish? Excellent. And we arrived to the last activity. Super easy. Let's read together. Write the negative contraction. What is the negative contraction of will not? You know what? This part, you don't need my help because you already know the answers, all right? So finish this A, B, and C on the activity number 6, and that's it, right? So what do you think? The activity of today was super easy, right? Okay, excellent class. So I am really happy that you are learning, and don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and remember to send a picture of this page to the correct email, and I will be checking your work. All right? All right. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you, and bye-bye.